Today I'll be making a lock drum tutorial. Some like Tyler ICU when he's on his chill mood. So before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get it. As you can see, I already got my shaker on. Now let's go look for a lock drum. And remember, this is not a real lock drum, this is a sample lock drum. So it's not gonna sound exactly like a lock drum. Now I'm gonna add more shaker and equalize so it doesn't sound more loud. And clone this pattern and then add a different sample, different lock drum. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment and tell me what you think and subscribe. And danko, you're the best. Peace. And oh, hit the notification button so that you can notify each and every time I drop.